Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can set default apps in Infinix smartphone, how you can give priority to one if you have 2 to 3 browsers, how you can give one priority. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Click on settings and then you scroll down, you can see app management. Click on app management. Here it is default apps. Just click on default apps and friends, you can see browser app. You can see there are two browsers, Hola browser and Chrome. If I choose this, it gives priority to Hola browser. Whenever you just click on search, it will give Hola browser, and you can click on Chrome also. Similarly, if you click on more default, you can see the gallery app are three. You can see photos, files by Google, and AI gallery and WPS office. You can give the preference to AI gallery, files by Google, like photos. You have to select one app. You can see in music player there are four: files by Google, YouTube music, Visha player, music player, DD music. You have to give one preference. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.